my name is Natalia. I am the sister of Tessara, who's the founder of House of Braid. Today, I will be showing you guys what I do to restore and strengthen my hair. So I have like a more of a fine textured hair because it's curly. It's not really curly right now because it's a little gross. But so what I do first is I comb it out thoroughly, get all the tangles out. Yep, like this. I use this comb, it's very good. Okay. So what you want to do first, before applying this castor oil, which actually helps strengthen my hair and make it shiny. So what you do first is just put some water, spray, like really, make your hair like really wet because the castor oil is very thick and sticky. So you want to really wet your hair. So it's almost wet. I'm putting the castor oil actually on my scalp. And that's, I put it on my scalp because it makes it nice and hydrating. Because my hair is like typically dry, it depends on the weather. So it really helps. Okay, so I applied water on my scalp. So what you do is you get some castor oil. I'm gonna mix it actually with some water and then really rub it in your hands. And then massage it into your scalp. So actually massaging your scalp helps circulate the blood flow, which allows for hair growth. Put more castor oil, water. Put it on the, spread it nice and evenly on my scalp. So you typically probably want to do a lot, like this much at a time, because it's so thick. It's kind of hard to get it throughout your scalp in one try. More water. Yeah, I like to mix the castor oil with the water. It helps spread it nice and easily. Okay, so now once you're done with that, oh, I missed a spot. Okay, now I'm gonna put water on the ends of my hair. I'm going to put on Olaplex. It's like a leave-in conditioner. It helps repair, strengthen, and hydrate your hair. So I just put that on my ends. Makes it nice and soft. While the scalp is a little more sticky. So I'm just gonna put probably like a quarter size for now. Yeah, like a quarter size. Yep, massage it in my hands and then start at the middle of my hair and then towards the end. Like that. So it's so soft. Okay, now after you put the Olaplex on the ends of your hair, get the comb and comb it through. Just like this. So it's a little hard at the top to comb through because it's sticky from the castor oil, So you go nice and slow. So what's cool about putting the castor oil in your hair is that you can rock like a slick back look. So that's what I do a lot. I put castor oil in my hair maybe at night before I go out, and then I'll go out with like this type of slick back look. And then maybe I'll leave it overnight, maybe I'll wash it before I go to bed. It all depends on like how I feel. But just leaving this on for at least 5 hours and no more than 12 hours would be good. So that's it. Subscribe and like this video for more tips on different hairstyles and different ways to strengthen and repair your hair.